watching finally. Welcome to Cat Desk and come to back. CNC tutorial. Now today's our lesson is boring operation. How to use in boring operation. This is the drawing to use the boring tool. This is the program where we use it. Next step to make program and run Lathe CNC. These are the steps how to start a machine offset setting, making program and execute it. Now come to start. Open FONUC SSCNC OIT, switch on emergency and protect program. Select reference mode button for default position of turret move and default position here. Press X and Z button for 0 position. Absolute coordinate. Now come to the stock size. Go to workpiece setting 2 and specify size, diameter 100, 20 inside diameter and 200 length. Then OK. Now go to the tool management and select tool management tool and select boring and edit it. Here we change the shank width 16 and OK. So again select boring tool, add to tool turret, tool number station 1, select tool number, then mount tool and OK. Now go to the 2D views. Here you show workpiece, inside drill hole 20 mm. Now for offset setting, move boring tool inside of the drilling hole. Now select joke button and select X for X direction for diameter. We use Z direction, select Z direction. To move tool forward to the workpiece. Zoom workpiece. Now select X direction, X direction. Now incremental mode, use of incremental mode, X 1000 means 1 mm, X 100 0.1 mm, X 10 0.01 mm and X 1 0.001 mm. Touch the tool on the cylindrical face. For X direction, type X 20 and measure. Now same process for Z direction, back tool and Z direction, top shift plus, select plus sign. Now X direction and now Z direction, select incremental mode, X 1000, X 100, X 10 and X 1 button to touch the tool, boring tool on the flat face of circular object. Now type Z0 and measure. This is the offset setting. It is very important for every operation and change the tool. If offset setting is correct, your tool path will be correct. Now select the edit button. Go to the program, dir, and write program number 00122. M03 S2000 to start spindle, and as for speed of a spindle, T01004 will change. G00 for traverse rapid movement of tools, and Z0 in X20, Z5. T for tool station number T0101 for tool station number 1. Here we have 4, 8 and 16 tool station. We use 8 tool in a turret, and one by one we will use the operations to change the tool. Now X50, Z minus 50. Next program X60, Z minus 50. Next program N80, G00 X40. Next program G00 Z100, move reverse position in Z direction. Now at the last M02 M30, spindle stop and program stop. Now select auto button. To run the program and to